Hey guys, welcome back to another live trading video. So today is monthly expiry and we'll be trading in Nifty. So we already took our position and we're at a 50K profit. So we took the position at 9:25 and the time right now is 9:35. So it's about 10 minutes. The logic of the trade is pretty simple. So there was this resistance in the 15 minutes time frame, and once it started taking resistance in the 5 minutes time frame, I took a trade in this candle. And right now we're at a profit of 56K. I haven't added any quantities yet, and I might not be adding quantities because it's been a while since I traded and I don't want to stress on adding quantities and managing that position. And already the premiums are pretty low, so I don't want to add in quantities right now. But yeah, so this is the trade. We'll be managing this trade for the whole time. Yeah, let's see. A lot of people were asking how I'm managing the new rules of the market. So I'm only trading in expiries right now, so maybe weekly just once. And I have a few swing trade positions as well. So yeah, that's how I'm mainly managing my trading. I've also been busy with college stuff, so I haven't been trading much. Just the weekly expiries and a bunch of swing trades. I'm planning to learn Forex and gold trading soon. And once I get a hang of that, I'll make a video on that soon as well. So yeah, this is the trade, and I'll update you guys when we trail our stop loss. So we'll be making around 1.45 lakhs. I mean, 1.5 lakhs in this trade, around 1.5 lakhs. So I'll be trailing the stop loss when the LTP hits 28. So see you guys then. All right, guys. So the time right now is 10:04 and the market gave a move in our direction. So we are at a price of 18 right now, and I trailed my stop loss. So before it was around 88, and now I trailed it to 34. So we'll be locking in profits of almost 50K if the stop loss hits. And the upside, I think, is 1.5 lakhs, 1.45 lakhs. So yeah, that's our risk to reward right now. So no matter what, we won't be losing in in this trade. I'm also thinking to probably start a new trade if, for example, the market breaks here and let's say takes a retest in this level and then starts going down again, then I might take another trade here. I'm not really sure if I want to take a bullish trade, but there is no good level for me to take a bullish trade right now. The only trade I might go long in is over here. So when the market comes around here. So let's see. Yeah. These are the plans right now, but we will be managing this trade. I will update you guys if we take up another trade. So see you guys then. All right, guys. So we're at a profit of 1.28 lakhs. And the time right now is 10:53. So the market gave a good fall and we kind of reached support right now. So if we go in the 15-minute time frame, we're close to support here. So I'm just thinking of booking profits right now. Maybe book it at 1.3. And either call it a day or maybe take another trade because the time is just 11 o'clock and we already made decent amount of profit in 2 hours. So just for 7 rupees, I don't want to hold it till 3 o'clock. So that's the plan. I'll place an order at probably 7 rupees, and then when it triggers, I'll start the recording again. So see you guys then. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to exit the position. All right, and let's clear all the pending orders. So we booked a profit of 1.26 lakhs. I might take another trade. Maybe let's see, it depends on the mood. But if I don't take another trade, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. And if I do take another trade, I'll start the recording on again. Anyways, I'll see you guys in another video, or thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in another video.